Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 3. Forbidden Vegetables. The wife watched the garden every day. The wife watched the garden every day. She stood by the window and stared. She stood by the window and stared. Green leaves were gently swaying. Green leaves were gently swaying. The vegetables looked fresh and bright. The vegetables looked fresh and bright. The wife's heart was moved strongly. The wife's heart was moved strongly. I want to eat that. I want to eat that. The wife whispered softly. The wife whispered softly. The husband heard beside her. The husband heard beside her. They are not ordinary vegetables. They are not ordinary vegetables. They belong to the witch. They belong to the witch. The husband said with worry. The husband said with worry. The wife shook her head. The wife shook her head. But I want them so much. But I want them so much. Her desire grew each day. Her desire grew each day. She ate less food. She ate less food. Her face became pale. Her face became pale. The husband was very surprised. The husband was very surprised. The wife lost her strength. The wife lost her strength. She could not sleep at night. She could not sleep at night. Those leaves came into her mind. Those leaves came into her mind. The wife shed tears. The wife shed tears. The husband held her hand. The husband held her hand. Are you suffering that much? Are you suffering that much? The wife nodded weakly. The wife nodded weakly. Only a little is enough. Only a little is enough. I want to eat them. I want to eat them. The husband worried deeply. The husband worried deeply. The witch's garden was fearful. The witch's garden was fearful. But he wanted to help his wife. But he wanted to help his wife. The husband looked out the window. The husband looked out the window. The sky had grown dark. The sky had grown dark. The town became very quiet. The town became very quiet. People had returned home. People had returned home. The moon came from the clouds. The moon came from the clouds. The husband made a decision. The husband made a decision. Tonight, I will go to the garden. Tonight, I will go to the garden. The wife held her breath. The wife held her breath. Please do nothing dangerous. Please do nothing dangerous. The husband smiled gently. The husband smiled gently. I will come back soon. I will come back soon. The husband went outside. The husband went outside. He moved without making a sound. He moved without making a sound. He reached the high wall. He reached the high wall. Vines had grown on the wall. Vines had grown on the wall. The husband climbed with his hands. The husband climbed with his hands. His heart was beating hard. His heart was beating hard. He reached the top of the wall. He reached the top of the wall. Inside, the garden spread wide. Inside, the garden spread wide. The husband jumped down quietly. The husband jumped down quietly. The night of fate had begun. The night of fate had begun. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.